Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Hi guys, my name is Roger Roby. I'm the field support specialist for Bernard and Tregaskis, and today we're going to talk through the maintenance on your Clean Air E Bernard fume extraction torch. All right, so we're going to talk about how to hook up the Clean Air E torch to your fume extraction unit, as well as some of the functions that it offers. So starting up with hooking up to the unit, obviously this would be connected to the feeder, and then for our fume extraction unit, what we found for optimal performance is the Miller 215. However, it's universal to many different ones. But essentially, you're just going to take the hose that comes off of whatever fume extractor you're using and connect it to this Y takeoff here. It's pretty much an industry standard style size. That's essentially all you have to do for hookup on the vacuum side of it. Fume extractor itself, it'll look something like this, where you'll have a vacuum control knob for lowering or raising the vacuum power or suction. And a lot of times as a welder, we're going to get into situations where we need to either increase or decrease. Instead of having to walk to the feeder to control your vacuum power, we have the option here where you can open and close this switch. In the closed position, you're going to capture all the vacuum pull at this area of the torch, whereas when I open this up fully, I'm going to reduce the pull here by roughly 10, maybe 15 CFM, depending on your unit. If I get into a area where it's a tight corner where you're going to be able to pull more, switch up, you'll hear the difference. You'll hear the vacuum leak at that point, make that weld, and then you can go back into your standard welding procedure.